This is WAEC Mathematics 2024, paper 2, that is the theory part. So we are going to be solving these questions together. The first question says, the time t taken to buy fuel at a filling station varies directly as the number of vehicles, V, in a queue, and varies inversely as the number of pumps, P, available at the station. In a station with 5 pumps, it took 10 minutes to fuel 20 vehicles. Find the relationship between T, P, and V. So this is a question on variation, and to be precise, joint variation, which means we have direct and inverse in the same question, so we are joining them together. So T, let's just interpret it. T varies directly as V. So that is direct variation. And inversely, that will be reciprocal. Inversely as P, as number of pumps P. So we change it to equation. T equals to KV over P. So we have P as 5, T as 10, V as 20. So let us substitute it into the equation. So T is 10, K times our V is 20, then our P is 5. So we can cross multiply. We have 20K equals to 50. So divide both sides by 20. You have K equals to 50 over 20. So therefore, K equals to 5 over 2. Now back to the question, which is find the relationship between T, P, and V. Actually, this is the relationship between T, P, and V. All you need to do now is replace the value of the constant K there. We have our answer is T equals to 5 over 2 times V over P. So T equals to 5V over 2P. So this is our answer. This is the relationship between T, P, and V. Let us look at the B part of the question. It says, find the time it takes to fuel 50 vehicles at a station with 2 pumps. So in this case, our V is 50, while our P is 2. Now let us bring back the relationship we got here in A above, which is T equals to 5V over 2P. So that is T equals to 5 times, what's our V? 50 divided by 2. What's our P? 2. So that is 250 over 4. So we can write our answer as T equals to 62.5 minutes. So that is our answer. And the C part says, find the number of pumps required to fuel 40 vehicles. So in this case, V is 40 in 20 minutes. So T is 20. So back to our relationship between T, V, and P, which is T equals to 5V over 2P. Now, since we are looking for the number of pumps here, we can either make P the subject of formula. So we can make P the subject of formula. We have cross multiply 2P times T equals to 5V. So therefore, we can say that P equals to 5V divided by 2T. So which you have 5 times 40 divided by 2 times 20. So finally, we have 200 over 40. So the number of pumps is 5 pumps. So this is the answer to question 1 in paper 2. Question number 2. A car traveled at a distance of 2x plus 13 kilometer. That means the distance is 2x plus 13 kilometer at 67.5 kilometer per hour. That is the speed. So speed equals to distance over time. That means time is distance over speed. So this is the first part of the journey. The time will be 2x plus 13 divided by the speed 67.5 kilometer. And at 5x minus 20 kilometer at 72 kilometer per hour. That is another time, another part of the journey. So T2 equals to 5x minus 20 divided by 72. If the total time for the journey was 90 minutes, find the value of x. Total time is T1 plus T2 equals to 90 minutes. And 90 minutes is 1.5 hours, which is 1.5 hours. So which means 2x plus 13 over 67.5 plus 5x minus 20 over 72 equals to 1.5. So we clear the fraction by multiplying through by the LCM of 67.5 and 72. So this part, the first part will become 72 times 2x plus 13 plus 67.5 times 5x minus 20, then equals to 67.5 times 72 times 1.5. So this becomes 144x plus 936, when you open the bracket, plus 337.5x minus 1350, and equals to 7290 when you multiply this side. So collecting like terms, when you collect like terms, we have 481.5x equals to 7704 rather, after collecting like terms. So divide both sides by 481.5, we have x equals to 7704 divided by 481.5. So our x is equals to 16. Question 3. A circular floor of a building is to be tiled with ceramic tiles, each of side 40 centimeters. If the perimeter of the floor is 66 meters, calculate correct to the nearest whole number the number of tiles required to completely tile the floor. Now, we have been given the perimeter of the circular floor as 66 meters, which means 2 pi r, because the perimeter of a circle, since the perimeter of a circle is 2 pi r, which means 2 pi r equals to 66 meters. So 2 times 22 over 7 times r equals to 66. So from here we have 44r equals to 66 times 7. So r will be 21 over 2 meter. Now we can now use our radius to calculate the area of the circular floor. Area of the circular floor. Area of the circular floor. That's area of a circle, which is pi r square. Pi r square. So our pi is 22/7 times 21. Radius is 21/2 square. So this will give us 693 divided by 2 square. Then we can also find the area of a tile. The area of a tile. From the question, we can see that there is a ceramic tiles, each of size 40 centimeters, which means it is a square. So the area of a square is L square. L square. So our 40 centimeter, you can convert it to meter. That is 0.4 meter by dividing by 100. So that is 0.4 square, which will give us 0.16 meter square. Now, so the number of tile required to tile the floor. Number of tile required to tile the floor. Number of tiles required to tile the floor equals to the area of the circular floor. The area of the circular floor, which is 693/2. Then divided by the area of a tile. The area of one tile. The area of one tile is 0.16. So the number of tile required will be 2165.625. So approximately that will give us 2,166 tiles required for the flooring.